The LONTEK 3-in-1 folding treadmill combines walking pad, under-desk, and traditional treadmill modes, making it versatile for both home and office use. Its manually adjustable incline, which can be raised to a steep grade with the included foot pads, adds real challenge and noticeably increases calorie burn compared with flat walking. A quiet brushless motor with a strong horsepower rating supports users up to 300 pounds while keeping noise low enough for shared spaces or late-night workouts. The clear front display tracks time, speed, distance, and calories, and the slim folding frame slides under most sofas or beds, which is ideal for small apartments or home offices. A generously sized running surface with a multi-layer non-slip belt provides stable footing and softens impact on the joints, which is especially helpful for walkers with sensitive knees. LONTEK backs the treadmill with around-the-clock support, including maintenance guidance and manuals, which gives extra confidence to buyers who prefer clear after-sales help.